See that right there? MonitorMate. And this is the Probate HD. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. All right, this is a pretty big box. Let me just pull it out. I don't think there's a whole lot to do with this thing. Let me get it all out real quick. Got some instructions and that's it, man. We're gonna do away with this because it's taking up way too much space. All right, so got some instructions. I don't think I'll be needing these, but we do have a thick USB-C to USB cable. Man, this is probably the thickest one I've seen. Super high-speed USB. All right, cool. Put that right there, and then let's get into the star of the show. There we go. All right, so this is straight up aluminum, man. It's like cast it out of one aluminum. Okay, maybe two aluminum pieces. And this is solid, man. I dig it. All right, so let's get into some specs, man. Oh. Storage. I love me some storage, man. God. Okay, so we got a little tray here that comes out. You put all your little goodies in there, put you some mints up in there, maybe some chapstick or something. Okay, and then on this side, let's pull this. Oh, let me just take this out before it falls on me. So we got 1, 2, 3 SS USB 3.0 ports. You know what the SS means? In layman's terms, that just means freaky fast. Okay, and then we got 2 USB-Cs right here. One of them is the super speed and the other one is the power in. I see a little plug right there. It has a power in. And then, yep, there you go. Sweetness! We have a regular USB-C. It doesn't have any kind of labeling on it right there. But we have that, and then we have an HDMI. Can you see that? You got the USB-C and then an HDMI over there. So, man, the only thing I can say it's missing is a headphone jack. This thing had a headphone jack, it'd be awesome. Well, I mean, it's awesome right now, but seriously, headphone jack would just complete this thing. We gotta get this set up. I mean, you know, let me put my keyboard on here. My monitor is mounted to my wall and it swivels on its little swivel mount. So I would probably be storing my keyboard either on top, just like this. So here's how my keyboard sits on top. This is a Microsoft keyboard. All right, so it'll just sit right there, or I'll just slide this bad boy underneath just like that. And then you can also put your laptop on top. Laptop, get it? All right, so you can just put that laptop right there. Now it does not complete the base of the laptop. So if you can see here, you actually have a little hang off area right here if you're gonna put your laptop on top of it. But it is a great base and a great docking station for your laptop. So if you're docking your laptop up to your monitor, really all you gotta do is close this thing up and then slide it under the Probase just like that. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up and then you can see my setup. Ha! Okay, let's go. Okay, before I get too far into this, let me go ahead and just plug in the HDMI cable from my monitor right in there. All right, plugged in. Then of course we gotta have some power, so there we go. And this is actually coming directly from the wall. This is my original HP adapter to my laptop. So I'm plugging this directly into the power source inlet right there. You see the little plug? There it is. Now we need the power source to come back out. So I flip this over and this USB-C out port right here is gonna go directly into my laptop. Now let me just go ahead and throw one of these USB cables in here. This is micro USB. This is for my camera. I just like to have this here, kind of just waiting for my camera to do some video editing. Okay, now let me just slide that thick white cable into my power port on my laptop. It's in there nice and tight. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's power this thing on. Come on. All right, it's on. Oh, there's a white LED over there. Let's get the monitor on. Powering up. Oh, nice. Okay, so the HDMI cable works. Get my eyeball scanned. Okay, we're in there. All right, now it says welcome. Sweet. Let me just close this thing up, push it underneath here for a nice clean look. All right, one more test. Let me check one of these USBs to make sure they work, and then we'll keep it moving. All right, so let me plug that in. All right, let me turn it on, and there it goes. It registered. So everything's registered up. Hey, check this out, man. Let's take a quick look at this thing. I love the fact that you got like an undercarriage right here where you can either put your laptop or you can actually put your keyboard under there if you want to. Like I'm literally stashing my keyboard underneath it along with my laptop. But if my laptop's under there, I'm probably using the keyboard right here. You can also put your monitor. It's primarily a monitor stand, but since I don't need it as a monitor stand, I can just clean up my work area and put all my gear right there if I want to, and that's a nice clean look. I love it. Everything matches. It matches all my gear in here. I'm digging this thing, man. Let me go ahead and take this down. Since I got this camera plugged in and everything, I got footage on it I need to do. I need to edit this video, so y'all got to get out of here and let me get to work. I ain't no expert in this stuff, but I'm digging this computer monitor stand, man. So if you want one, go ahead and check the link in the description, and I'll see y'all at the next one.